are human beings, and we all have different opinions. It is inherent in us. I want to ask you, what is, in your opinion, minimalism? Minimalism is when you have an empty fridge, no food, because you don't want to spend money, because you don't have any money. Why would you have money? You're a minimalist. You also don't have food for another reason, you want to be skinny. And by spending money, you're not a minimalist anymore. By having food in the fridge, you're not a minimalist anymore. Minimalism means to have only one plant, who is your friend. Minimalism means having an empty space, preferably small and clean and wild. Minimalism means to have only one sweater or one t-shirt. It also means to not have anything to do. Minimalists usually spend their time by counting the hair on their head. Minimalists have only one spoon, one fork, one knife. They also don't have electricity, light, or water, because again they don't have any money. And because of that, they only have a carpet and a pillow to sleep on. Minimalists don't like to read, and therefore they have only one book, because they're minimalists. And they can read this book over and over and over again. It doesn't matter how interesting it is, because all you care are the rules of minimalism.
Is it dark? Oh, it doesn't matter, right? Does it? Does it relate to minimalism? Should I worry about darkness? I don't think so. Or should I? Should I always ask myself a question if it is about minimalism? Because I consider myself to a minimalist. Does it mean that I have to maintain all the rules and all the rules? I don't know. Let me open the windows. That's a little bit better, but I think I'm too yellow, so I'm gonna change my background, because I'm a minimalist, and this is not minimalistic. This is not minimalistic, so I'm changing my background. Guys, I really think that I should explain myself and send you a message. I think that still a lot of people consider minimalism as something very radical. And what I just showed you, of course it was a sarcasm, and of course it was a joke. But I'm pretty sure that 50% of people still consider and see minimalism as such pictures, as such shots. It's all radical, but I'm sure there is a lot of people who have a special and only clothes of one color, like one t-shirt of the same color, and they have just like a bunch of them and they change it every day. I'm not such a minimalist. I like clothes, I like fashion, but it doesn't mean that I cannot call myself a minimalist. Minimalism changed my perception of fashion in general, of things that I use, of clothes that I wear. Minimalism can change everything that you have thought about before that kind of suits your life. Minimalism opens up the eyes. Honestly, it doesn't matter what is my background, white or colorful. It doesn't matter if it is empty or not, because yes, minimalism teaches you and us in general to have as little things as possible and have an empty space, so to say. I don't think that minimalist people should obey the rules. Of course, minimalism will help you to reduce the money that you spend. It will help you to get rid of the clothes that you don't wear but you think that you do. It can basically teach you how to be wise with your money and with your time, and that's what matters the most for me right now. Try to take a look at minimalism. It helped out a lot of people, and it can help you as well. And of course my mom started to play piano when I'm filming a very important video. Thanks, Mom. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm not going to wait until my mom is done with her music, because I'm preaching you about minimalism, which teaches to spend your time wisely, spend your money wisely, and I am trying to spend my money and time wisely. As you see, I'm getting a little bit nervous, but also minimalism helps you out to clear up your head. If you don't believe me, you don't need to believe me, but personally with me, when I don't have to think about things that I should buy, I don't have much stress, I don't have much pressure of feelings that I gotta buy this and that and that, and I'm super happy that I switched to this lifestyle. Honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of more things, because I know that I have much more things to just throw away or donate to somebody. But I hope that I sent you a message. Minimalism is not about being radical or being extreme. Minimalism is about saving time, saving money, saving your energy, and being calm, being harmonized, being almost like close to nirvana, feeling enlightenment. And if you don't trust me, try it out. Search about it more, and I hope to make better videos about minimalism when my mom doesn't play piano or when I move out again. I hope that it will happen very soon, because I cannot deal with this. I cannot, because she always distracts me. She always doesn't let me to feel my shit. But guys, minimalism is a lifesaver. It will save you many things. Your life, your health, your time, your money. I'm not gonna repeat all the things, all the beautiful things that it can bring to your life. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends, with your family. Leave the comments below, and I love you. Kisses. Bye.